Hey, English learners. Welcome back to the English podcast for learning English in a simple way.
In this episode, you will hear a warm, natural conversation between two friends, Jake and Luna, as they go on their first date together. Their date is filled with simple, cute moments, holding hands for the first time, feeling nervous, and maybe even a gentle goodbye kiss. Our topic is how to talk on a date. From this story, you will learn useful English phrases for expressing feelings, creating comfortable conversations, and having honest heart-to-heart moments. I will speak slowly and clearly, so feel free to listen closely and shadow along. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Over here.
Hi, Jake. Sorry, I'm a little late. The train was crowded.
No problem at all. I just got here too.
Good. It's such a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah. Perfect for a date.
Ha ha. You said it. So, where are we going first?
I was thinking maybe we could walk to the small bakery near the park. They have amazing veggie wraps.
That sounds great. I didn't eat much this morning, so I'm already hungry.
Perfect timing then. Let's go.
Sure. Oh, wait. Your shirt looks nice today. Is it new?
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I got it last week. I wasn't sure if it looked good, but I guess it's okay.
It looks really good. Simple, but nice.
Thanks. You look great too. By the way, I like your dress.
Thank you. I wanted to wear something a little cute today.
Mission accomplished. You look really cute.
Stop it. You're making me blush.
So, how's your week been? Busy at work?
Yeah, kind of. I had to finish a few reports, but now I'm free and happy.
That's good to hear. I was looking forward to today all week.
Really? Me too. I even went to bed early last night, so I wouldn't be sleepy.
Wow, you really planned ahead.
Of course, I didn't want to yawn in front of you.
That would have been cute, though.
No way. Don't say that.
Okay. I'll stop teasing you.
It feels so good to walk outside today.
Yeah, the air is nice and fresh. I love this kind of weather.
Same here. Oh, look at those flowers. So colorful.
Yeah, spring is the best season. Everything feels alive.
I agree. I always feel happier in spring.
Maybe it's because we get more sunlight.
Yeah. Or maybe because I get to go on dates like this.
Haha. Smooth. You're good at this.
What? I'm just being honest.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. Luna,
Yeah?
can I hold your hand?
Oh. Sure.
Really?
Yes. Really?
Wow. Your hand is warm.
Yours too. It feels nice.
I've wanted to do this for a while, you know.
You should have asked sooner.
I was scared you'd say no.
I wouldn't say no to you.
Hi, welcome.
Just two today.
Please have a seat here.
Everything looks so good. I can't decide.
Same. But I think I'll get the grilled veggie wrap. It's my favorite here.
That sounds good. Maybe I'll try the creamy mushroom soup.
Good choice. Their soup is really tasty.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'll have one grilled veggie wrap and a cold brew, please.
And I'll have the mushroom soup and a peach iced tea, please.
Got it. I'll bring those right out.
This place is so cute. The music is nice too.
Yeah, it's cozy. I come here sometimes to read.
Really? You read a lot?
Not a lot, but I like novels. What about you?
I read sometimes, but mostly I watch movies.
Oh, me too. What's your favorite movie?
Maybe Before We Go. I love simple, romantic stories.
Nice choice. I love that one too. Especially the ending.
Yeah, it's emotional, but beautiful.
Just like real life, huh?
Yeah. You never know how things will go.
This wrap is amazing, as always.
This soup is great, too. Want to try some?
Sure, thanks.
Wow, that's really good. Right?
Okay, now I'll try yours.
Go ahead.
You're right. It's delicious.
See, I told you.
You have good taste.
Thank you. Maybe that's why I like you.
That's smooth again.
I'm serious. Wow, it's beautiful here. Look at the flowers.
Yeah, I love this park. I used to come here as a kid.
Really? That's cute.
Thanks. I liked feeding the ducks.
Let's sit on that bench. The view looks nice from there.
Good idea.
You know, it's been such a relaxing day.
Yeah, I'm really glad we met today.
Me too. I feel like I can just be myself with you.
That's the best thing someone could say to me.
It's true, though.
Thanks, Luna. You're special to me.
Oh, look. That couple is taking pictures under the trees.
Yeah, it's a good spot. Want to take one too?
Sure, why not? Let's do it.
Let me check. Oh, this one's perfect.
We look so happy.
Because we are.
I love how peaceful it is here. You can hear the birds.
Yeah. It's nice just walking and talking with you. You really know how to make someone feel special.
Maybe that's because you are special.
Wow, look at the sky. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, the colors are amazing.
Orange, pink, and purple all mixed together.
I love sunsets. They make me feel calm.
Me too. It's like the world is slowing down for a while.
It's so quiet now.
Yeah, I like this moment. Just us and the sound of the river.
It feels like time stopped.
If only it could stay like this forever.
Laughs. You sound like a poet.
Maybe I just say what I feel.
That's what I like about you. You're honest.
Luna,
Hmm?
can I ask you something?
Sure.
Can I hug you?
Yes, you can.
You feel so warm.
So do you. It feels safe.
I could stay like this forever.
Me too.
You have the kindest eyes, you know that?
You always say the sweetest things.
Only when I mean them.
I can't believe it's already night. The day went by so fast.
Yeah, time really flies when you're happy.
I had such a good time today. Thank you, Jake.
No, thank you. You made my whole week.
That's a big compliment.
I mean it. I enjoyed every moment.
Me too. Especially the walk by the river. That was my favorite part.
Yeah, mine too. It felt like a movie scene.
So, I guess this is goodbye for today.
Yeah, but can I ask one more thing?
Sure. What is it?
Can I kiss you?
Yes.
Wow. That was nice.
Yeah, it was.
Thank you, Luna.
For what?
For today. For being you.
You're sweet, Jake.
Thank you.
you for listening to this romantic date story. I hope you enjoyed it and learned many useful expressions for talking about feelings, giving compliments, and spending time with someone special. Try to remember these natural phrases and use them when you want to express your feelings in English. We create more slow and clear English listening videos here so you can listen, shadow, and improve your English every day. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more stories and practice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Your progress doesn't end here. To continue advancing your English skills, click on the next video or explore the additional videos we've thoughtfully selected for you.